Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Today I'm exploring some lesser known spots along the Enoden, which is one of the most nostalgic looking trains in the greater Tokyo area. So I'm here at Katase Enoshima Station, which is on the Odakyu line, and it's known for this unique design. And from here I'll be heading to Enoshima Station for the Enoden. Whenever I make videos that relies on outdoor views, I always get worried if the weather's okay, but I think today it's actually pretty good. Okay, here's the sign. Enoshima Station. That Enoden is just chilling there for a long time. I wonder if it's waiting for something. Oh, it's waiting for the other train to come. Most of the Enoden line are one track, so there are a few places where there's two tracks like this. And whenever there's two tracks like this, usually one train waits for the other one to pass by. Oh, it's a long gate. That's throwing me off, I don't know why. This is the Enoden heading towards Fujisawa. I enjoy walking on tracks like this legally. The only place I can do that is at railroad crossings. So I'm here at Enoshima Station, but I won't be taking the Enoden from here. Instead, I'll be walking one station over to check out two cool spots you'd miss if you were riding the train. That station I'm heading to is called Koshigoe Station. And about a 3 to 5 minute walk from Enoshima Station, we are here at the first unique spot of the Enoden, this train curve. And here is actually the sharpest train curve in Japan. Oh, the train's here. This sound of the railroad crossing just reminded me this is also the spot where the Enoden Nikki incident happened. For those who don't know that, there was a rare Enoden train passing by and a lot of Japanese people, train fans, were trying to take a picture. But this guy accidentally rode his bike alongside it and blocked the train fans' way, and then they got so pissed at him. So that was the sharpest curve. And then here, the Enoden runs alongside the cars and pedestrians, and I find that really cool. So I can't go really fast because it's a very sharp curve. I'm so close to it. So I think these white lines over here, these white stripes, are the areas cars can't cross whenever a train is passing by. I know we can walk here, but there's no like sidewalks, right? And cars passes by here too, so I just saw a truck pass by. It was like really close to me. So I think it's fine to drive on the yellow side as long as the train is not coming. Okay, we are almost at the end of this section, and once it turns red, I think that's where the next station is, Koshigoe Station. So I'm here at Koshigoe Station, and there's a unique part about this station. Okay, so the train just stopped. And this platform is so small, it can't fit the entire Enoden. So to get in or get out from the station, you have to go on the first 3 cars to do that. Okay, so I was filming this video and then I happened to see my first viewer in person.
What's up, guys?
Alright, see ya. This is the first ever time a viewer like talked to me in person, so it feels really weird. I feel famous, even though I only have like 12,000 subscribers. So I'll be chilling around the Tokyo area filming, or sometimes outside of it, so if you happen to see me, you can just say hi to me. So now that I showed you two cool spots between Enoshima and Koshigoe Station, I'll finally be taking the Enoden to head over to a station where you can see a nice view of the ocean. But it's not going to be Kamakura Kokomai. Holy crap. It was so empty until the station. I hope the exit is on this side. I don't want to go through the entire crowd. This is also one of those few spots with two tracks, so one train will usually wait for the other to pass by here as well. And then from there it goes back to one track. Okay, I got off at Shichirigahama Station. Shichirigahama Station. Sounds like a tongue twister. But this is one station away from Kamakura Kokomai. And when you get out of this station and turn right, you get to walk alongside the train tracks. And not only you can walk alongside it, you can walk alongside it without these guards, these railings. Okay, so I saw a couple crossing this tracks and I was like, what the heck? You're not supposed to be doing that. Till I saw this sign. It's a restaurant here. So I think it's okay to cross as long as there's a restaurant on the other side or you live on the other side. Okay, now we are at the area where not only we can see the ocean, but we can also see Mount Fuji if the weather is nice. And I think the weather is good enough for us to see Mount Fuji, because look at that. I can't see it that clearly, but yeah, that's Mount Fuji. I know Kamakura Kokomai is famous because you get to take pictures and videos of Enoden right in front of the railroad crossing. You can't do that here, but still, this view is pretty underrated. And yeah, there's no one here. Well, there's a lot of people, but most people aren't stopping here to take a photo. So I feel like this will qualify as an underrated spot. Okay, there are a few people taking pictures over here, and it doesn't seem to say you can't enter there, you can't go there, so I think it's fine. Am I blocking the way? I don't care at this point. They can Photoshop me out. It says public. Do they really have to? That means someone definitely did that here. That is so head-assery. Alright, so the last spot I'm going to is probably going to be the most low-key one out of all the spots I went in this video, and that's because it's located near one of the least used train stations on this Enoden. Okay, so I got off at Koshigoe Station, and look at how on a metro this sign looks. It's different from that one. This is the station area, Koshigoe Station, and on the left side there's a pretty nice bathroom. It's nicer than most of the bathrooms I've seen on the Enoden so far. This is the third least used station on the Enoden line with 1,685 daily users. And the spot I want to go to is about a 10-minute walk from here. Also, this platform is really long for a station with not many users. The platform goes all the way here. I know Enoden is known for the ocean view, but there's actually nice, grass and tree areas around the line too. It's a little bit hot than usual today, but this area is so chilly and breezy. I like it. Okay, now we're back to like the residential area, and we gotta turn left over here. Alright, I'm here at the unique railroad crossing right in front of the shrine. I think they're all waiting for the train to come. Yeah, it kind of gives like an artsy vibe. So there's some people over here. And it actually says do not film inside the shrine. So if you're gonna take pictures or photos, wait, that's the same thing. So if you're gonna take pictures and videos, make sure you don't go inside and do that. You can do that over here and over here. I think they should have other languages on the sign too. I think the next train should be coming from the left side to the right, so it rang for like a second. This one should be ringing soon. Oh, okay, yeah, just when I said that. Alright, that will be all the spots I'm going to in this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll put the Google Map links of all these places in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you want to go there. Now I'm going to be heading back to Enoshima Station to take the Shonan monorail to go to this unique spot where you can see the monorail close by. So if you want to see that video, it will be up over here if it's out. If not, it will be another video that you can go watch. Alright, thank you. Bye bye.